Have you ever thought that the secret to a love story that rivals fairy tales might be hiding in your everyday life? Let's dive into a world where romance gets a fun twist. 1. The love surprise you never saw coming. Curious about how your daily coffee run or book club meeting might just be the start of your next romantic adventure? You know those mundane tasks? Walking your dog, visiting the local bookstore, or even grocery shopping. These are not just chores, they're unexplored territories for love. Start by being present in these moments. Make eye contact, smile more, and be open to small talks. These simple acts can transform routine encounters into exciting opportunities. Next time you're out, look around with fresh eyes. Notice people, start conversations about the book they're reading or the coffee they prefer. It's all about making connections in the least expected places. 2. Crafting your dream love story. Ever wondered how you can turn your ideal love story from a daydream into your real-life romance? Start by defining what your ideal relationship looks like. Is it filled with adventure, grounded in deep conversations, or maybe a mix of both? Once you have a clear vision, begin embodying the qualities you desire in a partner. Love kindness? Be kind. Adore humor? Share your laughter. It's like being the magnet for the love you want to attract. Next, create opportunities to meet people who align with your vision. Join clubs, attend events, or try online dating with a profile that truly reflects your personality and desires. 3. Romance 101 for beginners. Want insider tips on navigating the dating world with ease and a touch of fun? First things first, embrace your individuality. Your uniqueness is your superpower in the dating world. Next, build your confidence. Start with self-love exercises, like affirmations or treating yourself to things that make you feel great. When you're ready to meet someone, start in environments where you feel comfortable, be it a coffee shop, a book club, or online platforms. Remember, communication is key. Be open about your feelings and intentions, and equally important, be a good listener. It's not just about finding love, it's about enjoying the journey. So, put on your best smile, stay true to yourself, and step into the dating scene with confidence and positivity. 4. A fresh spin on old love tales. Ready to discover a new, exciting way to rekindle the romance in your life? Try new activities that align with your interests. If you love art, how about a painting class? Or if you're a foodie, a cooking workshop could be a fun place to meet someone with similar tastes. It's not just about where you meet someone, but also how you connect. Embrace technology. Have you considered virtual dating or using new, niche dating apps that align more closely with your interests? The idea here is to step out of your comfort zone. By doing things you love, you'll meet people who share your passions, making for a more meaningful connection. 5. Laughing in the face of love troubles. Interested in learning how to turn your romantic setbacks into hilarious anecdotes? First, acknowledge that bumps in the road are normal. They're not stop signs, but rather opportunities for growth. When facing a challenge, take a step back and view it with humor. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years? This perspective can lighten the weight of the situation. Communication is your golden ticket here. Talk openly about your feelings, but do so with a light-hearted approach. Remember, it's not what you say, but how you say it. Laughter is incredibly bonding, so don't be afraid to inject humor into your conversations. And most importantly, learn to laugh at yourself. This ability not only diffuses tension but also makes you more approachable and relatable in your relationship. 6. The little-known love hacks. Eager to find out those quirky yet effective love hacks that can transform your relationship? Ever tried learning a new skill together? It's a fantastic way to bond and create new memories. How about setting up a surprise date night where each of you plans something unexpected for the other? It adds an element of mystery and excitement. Communication is your power tool here, but let's make it fun. Try using a love code, a special word or gesture that means something only to the two of you. This can be a playful way to deepen your connection. And don't forget about the power of gratitude. A simple, thank you, for the everyday things can make your partner feel appreciated and loved. 7. Fast track to heartfelt connections. Want to know the real timeline for finding and deepening true love, minus the myths? First, understand that love doesn't adhere to a strict schedule. It's more like a crockpot recipe than a microwave meal. Slow and steady wins the race. Instead of focusing on the when, concentrate on the how. Cultivate a strong foundation by building trust, respect, and communication. Remember, quick flings might seem exciting, but enduring love takes time to develop. Get involved in activities that align with your interests. This way, you're more likely to meet someone who shares your values and outlook on life. Also, don't shy away from self-improvement. Being the best version of yourself attracts the right kind of partner. Love's timeline is unique for everyone, so enjoy your journey without the pressure of deadlines. 8. Dodging love's dramas with a smile. How about learning to navigate through relationship dramas with humor and grace? When you sense drama brewing, address it head-on but with a calm and understanding demeanor. Communication is crucial, but remember, it's not just about talking. It's also about listening and understanding your partner's perspective. If fear is creeping in, confront it by discussing your insecurities openly. Often, what we fear is not as daunting when brought into the light. Encourage honesty and transparency in your relationship. This builds a safe space for both of you to share without judgment. And always remember, every relationship has its ups and downs. It's how you navigate these together that strengthens your bond. 9. Peeking into your romantic future. Curious to take a whimsical sneak peek at what your love life might look like in a few years? Start by visualizing where you see your relationship going. Do you envision laughter-filled adventures, cozy nights in, or perhaps a mix of both? Use this vision to guide your present actions. For instance, if you dream of traveling the world together, start by exploring new places locally. If it's about deepening emotional connection, initiate meaningful conversations now. This foresight isn't about predicting the future, it's about creating it. 10. Your ultimate love dream, achieved. Ready to uncover the fun and surprising ways to achieve your ultimate love goals? Start by clearly defining what your ideal relationship looks like. What qualities do you admire in a partner? What kind of connection are you looking for? Once you have a clear vision, align your actions with your goals. If you seek a partner who's adventurous, be open to new experiences yourself. Communication is key in any relationship, so practice being open and honest about your feelings and desires. Also, don't forget to nurture yourself. Investing in your own growth and happiness makes you more attractive to others. Remember, achieving your love goals is not just about finding the right person, but also being the right person. So, focus on being the best you, and watch how everything else falls into place. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.